Hello guys, just a quick fix here. So in the morning, you try starting your car. The key is on position, but nothing. The starter is not functioning. So yeah, you see, I'm trying to start the car, but the car is not starting. So let me take you through a quick fix. What might be the problem? So I'm suspecting my starter has an issue. So let me show you where the starter is. So here is the starter, someone down here. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to disconnect the batteries. Yeah, after disconnecting the terminals, I take off the battery, then I try fix the starter. So let me show you how. So this is number 12. So the nut is out. So this is a Volkswagen 2002 mk4 GTI. So I'm just trying to disconnect the wires around the starter so that I might inspect what the issue might be with the starter, because the car is not starting. Almost. So that off and that off. So I'll need to have a box number 18. I've got some two nuts to disconnect. So this is not in the starter. What the problem might be. So these are 7 mm. So now it's not starting. So I'm guessing I'll have to do some brushes. I'll have to see brushes, etc. Hello guys, I've managed to fix the starter back. So I'll show you what was wrong with the starter. So now if I try to start my car, yes, half kick. Yeah, perfect. So let me show you what happened. Yeah, what was faulty inside the starter. So maybe next time if you'll be having the same problem. No, it is not. Just know that it is not that big.